Everyone, myself Dani Ganesh, lecturer in Moya Education Society's Moya Rural Institute of Pharmacy, Pune. In this lecture, we discuss about the drug acting on blood system, in that coagulants agent. Learning outcome of lecture. After the completion of this lecture, learner will able to understand process of blood coagulation, definition, classification of coagulants agents, drug profile of coagulants agent, content of lecture, process of blood coagulation, definition, classification of coagulants agent, drug profile of coagulant agent. So first point is process of blood coagulation. Thrombin and several clotting factors present in plasma and calcium ion are involved in the coagulation. The process of blood coagulation can be described as follows. Whenever there is an injury to the blood vessel, there is a formation of rough surface. When the blood platelet come in contact with such a rough surface, they are injured. Due to injury, they release a substance called as a thromboplastin. In the presence of thromboplastin and calcium in the blood plasma, prothrombin is converted into the thrombin, which help in conversion of fibrinogen into fibrin. The fibrin is insoluble and form a thread. The thread of fibrin form a network-like structure, and in the whole of network-like structure, the blood cells are intact, and this mass then contract to form a blood clot. So this is the process of blood coagulation. Definition of coagulant agent. Definition of coagulant agent. A drug which are bring about the coagulation of blood are called as a coagulant agent. They are employed in treatment of hemorrhagic or threatened hemorrhagic condition. Such a hemorrhagic condition are caused by many factors such as a platelet defect, plasma coagulation disorder, excessive use of anticoagulant therapy. Example of coagulant agent: thrombin, menadione, vitamin K. Classification of coagulant agent. In this first class is vitamin K derivative. So first class of vitamin K derivative is vitamin K1, that is a plant origin vitamin. Example is phyloquinine. Second subclass of vitamin K derivative is vitamin K3. It is a synthetic compound. In this first subclass is fat soluble compound. Example menadione, acetoamina, thione. Vitamin K3 is water soluble compound. Example menadione sodium bisulfate. And last class of coagulant agent is miscellaneous compound. Example fibrinogen, anti-hemophilic factor, desmopressin, rutin. Then we discuss the drug profile of important coagulant agent. In this first one is a thrombin. So thrombin is a sterile protein substituent prepared from human plasma and is freeze dried. Thrombin is an enzyme which converts the human fibrinogen into fibrin. Thrombin is a thermolabile compound. Physical property of thrombin: surface nature and color. It is a cream and yellowish fine powder. Solubility: it is slightly soluble in saline water and giving a cloudy pale yellow solution. Stability storage condition of thrombin. So it is a sensitive to heat and light, hence it should be stored in a temperature between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius under the vacuum or in the atmosphere of nitrogen in sterile container, sealed and free from microorganism and as far as possible moisture. It should be protected from the light and should be not allowed to freeze. Uses: so it is used as a coagulant agent. It is used in treatment of hemorrhage. Topically used for its hemostatic effect. It also applied as a powder to cuts or injury and for a control of minor oozing. Orally used to prevent the gastrointestinal bleeding. Official preparation: dried thrombin powder, thrombin injection. Brand name Thrombostat. Second coagulant agent is menadione. The structure of menadione: IUPAC name is 2-methyl naphthalene 1,4-dione. Physical properties: surface nature and color. It is a bright yellow crystalline powder. Taste and odor: it is tasteless, odorless compound. Solubility, it is a practically insoluble in water, sparingly soluble in alcohol and soluble in chloroform. Stability and storage condition, so it is affected by light, hence it should be stored in airtight light resistant container. Uses, it is used as a coagulant agent, it is used in treatment of hemorrhage condition, it is used in treatment of vitamin K deficiency, it is used in treatment of hypoprothrombinemia, it is used as a radiosensitizer agent in the treatment of cancer. Official preparation, Menadone tablet, Menadone injection, brand name Kineon, Cure with K. So in this lecture we discuss about the process of blood coagulation, definition, classification of coagulant agent and drug profile of some important coagulant agent. Thank you.